Hi, this is Laura Shantz. We're continuing our video series about children in divorce cases and custody and parenting time cases. This topic is called Your Child Doesn't Want to See You Much. What can you do? So these are the heartbreaking cases that I have. It's happened to me many times where it's either my client or the other client or I represent the child and there's a problem. The child does not want to go see one of her parents. So the first thing you can do if you're the parent is you can ask for reunification counseling. And I don't want you to think that reunification counseling is going to solve everything, because a lot of times it fails, but it's the best that we have. So you find a counselor who's willing to meet with you and your child in a structured way to try to reunify the relationship. You're going to play games, you're going to talk about things, the counselor is going to be there to help you not make mistakes when you're talking to your child, and hopefully that will help the relationship get better, where your child is going to say a lot of things that you may not want to hear in counseling, and you have to kind of accept them because that is true for her, even if you don't agree. So secondly, I suggest that you step back from all discipline. I know that's very hard for parents of teenagers who think that they really want to parent that child and there's a lot they want to teach that child, but if your relationship is struggling to the point where your child doesn't want to see you, discipline is the last thing to be worried about at this point. You need to listen to your child without judgment, without telling your child your opinion. Just listen to your child. Try to understand where your child is coming from, but don't say anything. Don't say what your opinion is. And finally, my suggestion is to make things easier when it's really tense and your child doesn't want to spend time with you, is to invite her to bring her friends over to your house, or go out and do something fun that she and her friends want to do. And invite your own family and friends over to the house. Have dinners, have game nights, go out and do bowling or fun things with your friends and family and your child. Those extra people can make it not as awkward in the beginning as you're trying to repair your relationship. So these are a few tips that I think do work in my years of seeing this really tragic situation where your child doesn't want to spend time with you. But don't give up hope, keep working on it, and I believe that it can get better, and I've seen it get better in a lot of cases.